Coady here with another Proto Tech Tip. Today, I'm going to show you how to save a bunch of time when you're using Protocase Designer by using the new Quick Search tab. Our new release of Protocase Designer is our biggest update ever. Protocase Designer 6 has a streamlined user interface and huge speed improvements. Plus, we've added some new functionality to make your designing as easy and quick as possible. One of those new features is a personal favorite, the Quick Search tab in the Face Editor. The Quick Search tab allows you to quickly search for the specific object you need from our library. Let's jump in and I'll show you how to use it. I've got my U-shape enclosure already started in Protocase Designer. I'm going to click on Edit Face and select the face I want to edit. Now that I'm in the Face Editor, I want to place some fasteners and hardware on my model. I could go to the Library Manager and look through the tabs to find the category of what I'm looking for, then either scroll through the list or search for what I'm looking for. But if I know the specific item that I want to place on my design, I can use Quick Search to quickly find it and place it. I'm going to click on the Quick Search tab. Here is the drop-down menu where you can input any item that you're looking for. For instance, let's say that I'm looking for a medium black handle. I'm going to type black handle. Protocase Designer is going to display the options for me. I'm going to select medium black handle and click the button labeled Place Item. Where Quick Search really excels as a time saver is for quickly finding and placing fasteners. Let's say I'm looking for an FH256 10ZI self-clinching stud, for example. Rather than taking the 3 to 5 clicks to go to the Library Manager and find what I need, I can use the Quick Search. By searching for that specific part number, Protocase Designer's Quick Search gives me that option on a first try and I can quickly place it. So to recap, the Library Manager is an awesome resource of all the items you can place on your design. It's great if you want to scroll through what's available, get all of the available information about a specific item, and pick and choose from a full list. If you know exactly the item that you want to place on your design, Quick Search will help you save time and a few extra clicks. If you haven't already, download Protocase Designer 6 on our website. If you have any questions about this new release or run into any issues, we're here to help. Comment below or email info@protocasedesigner.com. Our wiki and forum are great sources of information too. Thanks for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip. We'll be back next week.